Let's face it, AI isn't just supporting employees anymore. In 2025, it's replacing them. Here are 5 tools that are doing the job better, faster, and cheaper. First up, ChatGPT Enterprise. It's not just answering questions, it's running entire customer support lines, writing internal docs, and even generating reports. No sick days, no typing fatigue. It just works. Next, Fireflies.ai. Still taking notes in meetings? This tool joins your calls, records, transcribes, summarizes, and even tags action items. That assistant role? Automated. Third, Descript. Used to need a video editor or podcast producer. Now you just drop in your footage and edit like a doc. It even clones voices and removes filler words automatically. Number 4, Copy.ai. Forget hiring a full content team. This writes blogs, social posts, email sequences, all in seconds. Great tone, fast results, zero salary. And finally, UiPath. Behind the scenes, it's replacing full back-office roles. Think invoice processing, data entry, form handling, automated at scale. It's robotic process automation with brains. Here's the truth. These tools don't just help your team. They are your team. The future of work, it's already here, and it runs on code.